All right, check 1 2 3 1 2 3. I hope the audio and the video is working fine. And for that, I will be going to my YouTube channel just to see the outputs of both of the videos. So I hope the sound is not going to create any kind of trouble for us. So for that, I will mute the sound of my computer, that it should not create any problem over here. So let's see. Of both of the videos. Okay, so this is working fine now. Yeah, so what was happening that previously was picking up the sound from my computer, and again it was repeating. So I'm like, this is the first time I'm trying both of my monitors together. And I believe it's gonna work fine now. Okay, I've just adjusted the light in front of me. Okay, I will just, turn off the... All right, I'm just going to mute. I'm just going to close the live stream over here, this live stream tab. We're going to get back to work. Well, so guys, welcome back with another live stream. Well, I'm live streaming after a very, very long time, right? Okay, so what we're actually doing over here. So let me just close this OBS that you can see this both screens, what exactly is happening. So what is happening over here that I have, wipe coded this code through ChatGPT, and we're kind of using one very popular library. I don't know if this is really popular or not, but actually, at least, in my case, this works really fine. So what I've done before with this code is that I had to, let's say, publish a lot of my videos on YouTube, all of them together. So for this purpose, I'm like all of these were actually in the draft of my YouTube channel in the YouTube studio, and I had to post all of them. Sorry, let me just keep it a little bit away from my mouth. So I had to, let's say, post all of them on my YouTube channel. But I'm like, since it was a lot of work to be done, therefore I thought, I can maybe write a code with the help of AI that can help me to post all these videos without breaking a bone. Of course, this requires a lot of work trying to understand the logic, that how many clicks do I need on my screen, how the UI is operating. So currently I'm using my two different monitors in front of me, and in the very beginning there were a lot of problems. The code was failing a lot of times. So as you can see on the right side of your screen, this is the entire code. So this is the first time I'm going to make sure that all the clicks, even the pasting of this description works totally fine over here. Previously, the library of PyAutoGUI, its copy pasting feature was actually not working. Maybe I was the one who was kind of creating a problem, but then unfortunately, so ChatGPT actually failed to diagnose the problem. So for that reason, I had to go to Claude, and Claude diagnosed the problem real quick. So Claude told me that, see, the problem is that the YouTube itself is made on JavaScript or React or something like that. So based on that, the PyAutoGUI is not able to copy paste the material over here without any problem. So for that, we need to bypass that. So for that, we're using Mac Copy and Apple Scripts pasting solution over here. So both of the codes, so these are two different codes, right? So if I can show you on my computer, so these codes are different. So this is the first code. This was the first code. It was working fine whilst pasting the material. And then I wrote this code. This one. Yeah, this code. So this was helping me to switch the tabs and click on edit draft, and then, click on next, and then click on public and then save. It was being published out right after that. So these both codes were working independently. The first code was just pasting it. Another one was clicking on the draft, and both were working totally fine. But now in this situation, what I want to do actually is that I want both codes to work together. So for instance, we have almost a lot of YouTube tabs open over here. So if I click on bookmark all tabs, I don't know if it's not kind of giving me count of all tabs. I don't know what option should I use. So it's 108 In total, we are having almost 50 tabs. Yeah, 49 to 50 tabs all opened in front of me. So the way the code is going to work, that once I'm going to run the code, my cursor will be controlled by my computer, this code itself, and it will paste the code right here itself. And sorry, it's going to paste the description for this particular gameplay. So, oh, by the way, you know what? This is my gaming channel. I'm like, maybe many of you guys don't know about this gaming channel. So it's going to paste the code. It's going to click the save button, and then it's going to edit the draft, and it's going to publish the video. I just hope it works, but definitely if it will not work, it will fail a couple of times. Maybe I need to change the x-axis and y-axis location of this, because of course, previously the code was written by me at my university, actually where I work, at my workplace. So over there, I use a different monitor with a little bit different dimensions. Now both of the screens are using dimensions. For instance, let me show you what dimensions we're using right now. So currently both of the monitors are kept at 1920 by 1080. So this is the current ratio. So my left screen is the main screen, the right screen is the secondary monitor that I'm using with my Mac. So for that reason, we're just gonna see. So let me just quickly actually check if the live stream is working or not, because I won't be opening that on my computer. I don't want the sound to be, echoing or reverbing for that reason. So, all right. Yeah, so it's kind of working fine. Oh, okay. So in my live stream, what's happening? The monitors have switched for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Let me check. Oh, it's me who has kept the different locations of the monitors. All right, guys, my bad. Maybe I can switch it while the live stream is going on. Let me try that. Let me see if this works. Okay, let me just check the live stream if it's updated. Okay, so I'm like, there's a little bit delay, of course. Maybe you guys can see a little bit before than me. Oh, okay, perfect. It's settled. I've just changed the resolution. Okay, perfect. Actually, I've just switched both of them. Perfect. So now I can like I was saying before, that the left side of the screen is the main screen and the right side of the screen is the secondary monitor. Perfect. I had to check this for you people. All right. Nonetheless, let's get back to the main work. Okay, so now you can see both exactly the way I'm seeing them on my screen. So let's get started. First, what do we need to do? So guys, I won't be talking too much. Maybe if we play a little bit music, so that can make both of us. So let's play a little music, shall we? I don't know if YouTube is gonna have a problem if I play a music. I don't know if this is going to be, if I'm gonna get a strike or whatever. I don't know. I don't care about strikes or whatever. I'm not here to just make money. I'm just here to share my experience. So guys, don't mind my playlist selection. Maybe let's play jazz. I don't know. Let's see if this. I don't think so. Jazz is kind of my go-to music right now. I don't listen jazz while I work. I prefer to listen maybe. There's a playlist by Ali Abdaal. It's like Steady With Me playlist, something like that. Let me just find. Study genre. Oh yeah, I love this one. Oh yeah, this is the one that I really like. So let me check if this is being streamed on YouTube. Okay, I'm just gonna go and check real quick. Okay, I got a comment by someone. It's Warriors Edit. Walaikum salam, sir. Walaikum salam. I'm fine. How are you doing? Oh yeah, the music is working. I can hear the music. That's great. The music is working. So all right, for the live chat, I'm gonna keep my phone right in front of me. That way I will be able to reply you people. Let me know if the music is too loud. All right, the music is not too loud. That's perfect. Oh, you were my student. Okay, okay. You probably were my student back at the city school, if I'm not mistaken. I'm like, if you can tell me your name, maybe I can, recognize you. Awesome. Good to know. Good to know you're doing good. That's fine. All right. Well, the work that I'm doing right now, it might not interest you a lot, but, sometimes I like to do this vibe coding thing. All right, guys. So finally, the music is working. You can see both screens in front of you. So let's get back to the code. So the logic is set. The description is ready. All right, you're Abdul Muiz. Okay, Muiz, I hope you're doing great, buddy. All right. So for that reason, what we're going to do is that we're going to check the description. The description of this game is perfect, right? It's perfect. Our logic is set. Now we need to change the dimensions. So first we wanted to click over here. So for that reason, the dimensions, let me check. The dimensions over here are 307, 507, x-axis, y-axis. So it should first click over here. So for that reason, I need to check whether these dimensions are perfect or not. So what we're doing over here is that we are actually automating the entire description writing process on YouTube using Python. Using a Python library called PyAutoGUI, as you can see on your screen over here. And what's going to happen that the code is going to run itself. It's going to paste the description itself. It's going to click on save. It's going to click on edit draft and then publish the video itself on YouTube. So I've already written the code. I've already run the code. Not exactly this one, but this code was divided into two different paths. The first part of this code was to paste the description and then save the video and then switch the tab. But the second part of the code is not only switch the tab, but also edit the video. For instance, like paste over here, click at save. So now this code, the entire code, what it should do is actually first it should paste the description over here, click on save, then click on edit draft. Of course, I've already selected this option because this option becomes a problem later on. It's going to click on save, next, whatever, click on public and then click on save and the video is published. Wallahi, literally no problem at all. So I'm going to be testing on the first 50 videos, which are part of my gaming channel. I don't know if you guys know if I had that I have a gaming channel as well. Well, this video I'm not streaming on my gaming channel. This is something that I'm streaming on my main channel. So this is my gaming channel. I kind of regularly come live over here. I kind of post. Currently I'm playing Resident Evil Requiem on my PlayStation 5. So yeah, that's what's going on. But now, since I have a lot of videos over here that needs to be posted, like 50 videos, they're part of my draft. Like I believe now there are almost 200 videos which are in my draft, which needs to be published. I recorded these videos quite a while ago. I never got a chance to post it. Never got a chance to post them. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. That's exactly what we are doing right now. So okay, this is the code. So then I gave you an idea. This is what the code is going to do. So now we just want to check the dimensions and we have to match these dimensions all over here. So let's confirm 307, 507. So 307 is this clicking over here. Perfect. 307 and then it's 507. I don't know where do I need to go for 507. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's almost there. Okay, this one is perfect. We have verified this line over here. Then let's go to pasting script. Pasting script is here. Clicking save button. Perhaps the location of the save button might be changed over here. All right, guys, just give me a second. I got a phone call from someone. Guys, I'm really sorry. You know, I just got a phone call from my family, so just let me just talk to them. I'll be back. I'll be back. Don't worry. I'm extremely sorry, guys. I'm really, really sorry. Oh my god, I thought at this time I'm not going to be receiving any phone calls, any disturbance whatsoever. But I mean, like, you know, you live in Pakistan. I mean, like, you live with the family. It's a blessing, of course. So, guys, let's get back to work. Okay. So we are now verifying the save button over here. So for the save button, it's 1280 by 272 x-axis and y-axis. 1280. Okay, 1280 is verified, and 720. Okay, this is also verified. Okay, this is fine. We got same dimensions over here. 1280 times 272. 1280 times 270. Okay, this is perfect. We're done. So guys, we don't need this one, because this code, these lines were written just to click over here, just to make sure the Chrome window is active rather than any other window. So therefore we know we don't need this anymore, because this was in another code, and at that moment this was working absolutely fine. So for that reason, we are going to remove these lines from here. We don't need these lines of code over here. Then after that, we have another code over here. This is actually to so we're gonna put one hashtag just to comment. This is to click the edit button. Okay, this is just to click the edit button. Okay, this is to click the edit button. All right, perfect. And then, so let's confirm the dimensions for this one. Oh my god, it's too dark, I cannot even see. Okay, let me just get a little bit near to my computer. Okay, so it says over here 220 y-axis, and what is the x-axis? Okay, it's not 220, sorry, it's 210 or something like that. Yeah, 210 is fine. 210 times 1865, right? Yeah, it's 1865. Perfect. So we gotta change this value. This is 1865, and this is 210. Perfect. Okay. After this clicking over here, we need to click it. I don't know why it's clicking it 2 times. I shouldn't be clicking it 2 times. Okay, once it's clicking the edit button, then we need another clicks, and for that reason we need to change the dimensions over here as well. So for that we need these again, this code once again, just to make sure the cursor is at the right place, and for that reason we're going to paste it right here. Perfect. Okay, great. So we need to change the values. Of course, we need to first verify them. We click on the draft. Okay, we need to bring our cursor right here. See, so we need to put these values right here. These are the updated values. So right now our updated value, where I can see clearly, it is 1317 1940. Yeah, 1376 1376941. Oh my god, it's really sometimes difficult to remember these values. It's 13. What was the value? Shit, sorry, I forgot. 1375 940. Okay, 137.5, and this one is 940. Perfect. Okay, so it's gonna bring its cursor right here, and then we need how many clicks? 1 click, 2 click. Oh, really? Just 2 clicks? That's it? No. 1 click, 2 click, 3 click. We need 3 clicks. So since we need 3 clicks right here, so 1 click, 2 click. We need another click as well. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna copy these 2 lines of code over here, and we're gonna go back and we're gonna paste it right here. Okay, so now how many clicks do we have over here in this logic? We have 3 clicks. Is it verifying? Okay, let's go back. Verify. 1 click, 2 click, 3 click. Perfect. We got 3 clicks now. 3 clicks verified. Okay. This is just to click over the draft, and this is to bring. No, okay, wait a second. It shouldn't click. We need 2 clicks because the 3rd click is happening right here. Yeah, see, it's really important to understand this logic, guys. It's really important to understand this logic. So let's make this separate. It's just to bring the cursor right here in the save icon. So I'm just gonna click another comment just to understand the code over here. Okay, so sorry. Hashtag. We're gonna bring it right here. Bring the cursor to save button. Okay, perfect. The cursor is now at the save button. Okay, now again I'm gonna copy the same line of code. It's not a code, of course, it's just a comment, just to make sure that's clear to us, right? So we're gonna bring it right here, and not okay. If I bring the cursor, it's already there. It's just to click the save button, right? And it's not save button. Click next button. How many times? We got 3 times, right? 3x. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Of course, then we have to click on public and then publish. So we gotta check these dimensions over here. So dimensions right here, 590 by. Oh my god, this is so tiny. I cannot see it. 590 by what? 590 by 587. 590, guys. 587. 590, 587. I was almost same. Yeah, almost same, guys. Almost same. This value should be this value, right? It's 1375 again, and 945. No, 940. We need 940 over here. Oh my god. Okay, again, clicking the save button. No, not clicking. Click the save button. No, click the publish. This code is no, not this one. This is to publish. Click the publish button. That's exactly what it's gonna do. And oops, sorry, my bad, guys, my bad. And this one over here is going to gotta make sure it's inside the bracket. This is going to click the public button. Oops, sorry. Click the public button. Okay, so this is going to click the public button. Then we have some delays, then it's going to switch the tab in the end. Okay, now in this case we have to make sure, so no, we're not going to do anything, we're just going to close it, right? Okay, so in this case what it should do, that yeah, of course, Moise, I have Instagram. Let me just post my website. I've just created my website. I have one of my students helped me to create my website actually. So it's shayanbaloch.com. Let me just write it for you in the chat box. shayanbaloch.com. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, Moise, I've just pasted my website. You can find my Instagram and all my social media, also my WhatsApp over there as well. So that's my website. Okay. All right. So I hope the code is now ready. I don't know. I mean, this fails a lot of times. So for now, we're not going to run it 35 times, but rather we're going to make it work only 5 times just to see how it's performing. And we got to make sure the delays are fine. All right, you know what? I'm not going to Okay, so I will be running the code. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's see if this works. I'm just going to click it save. Yeah, you're welcome, Moiz. You're welcome, my love. You're welcome, Moiz. Okay, so we're gonna run the code. Here comes the magic. This is the part that I was literally waiting for. So we're gonna select, oh my god, why am I opening this? We're gonna select all. We're gonna click on FN F5 because this is a Mac. It works different. All right, let's see how it works. Okay. All right, it's working now. Well, nothing's happening yet. Okay, pasting. Clicking over here, pasting, perfect. Clicking on save, perfect, works fine. Click on edit, click next, click next, click next, public, and then publish. Very good. Next tab, perfect. Come here, paste it over here, click on save, click on edit. See, guys, I'm not doing anything. My hands are here. I'm literally not doing anything. This is happening itself. So finally the code is working successfully. I've just done a few edits. It's changing the tabs itself. It's pasting it over here itself. Okay, so right now it failed. Okay, right now it failed. Right now it failed. I don't know why it failed. I have no idea why it failed. Okay, no problem, no problem. See, this is why, that's why I only pasted over here. So, okay, one of the video failed. Maybe it was a problem in that particular tab, but you can see it's working all by itself. I'm not touching it. So it just failed once. Okay. Okay, but it's working fine in the other iterations. Awesome. Wow. I mean, like, you know, I can work on so many videos in just one go by working on this code. It's working fine. Of course, like in this situation, you have to make sure that the dimensions are matching with the code. I'm like, wallah, it's working, guys. It's working flawlessly. Literally, it's working flawlessly. My god, look at that. Okay, so you see over here in the output screen, 5 of the iterations have ran because we only kept it 5 iterations, right? So I can increase the number of iterations. So now, since 5 videos are done, I'm gonna make sure that the one which are done, I need to close the tabs. This is done. This is done. Okay, this one is actually not done. There was a little bit glitch over here. So I'm just gonna keep it exactly the same. This is done. This is done. Okay. So now we have 110 till, oh my god, we have so many videos to work on. So 110 to 150, there are 40 videos. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So we got 47 videos, guys, and we're gonna run the code for 47 times. And for that reason, I'm going to keep the number of iterations over here. I'm gonna keep it 45. Or maybe, you know what? Let's keep it 47. Let's keep it 47. 47. So I want this code to run 47 times, right? Okay, save it. So now what's gonna happen? It's gonna run by itself. You see the magic. I'm gonna select all, Command S just to save the code. And then let's Command A. Now let's run the code. You will see it will work automatically. It will paste the description. It will publish the video itself through this code. Now this is the magic that you all have been waiting for to happen. It's gonna work all by itself. I don't have to break a bone. I don't need to copy and paste the text over here in this box myself. The code will do it for me. The code is going to click on save. The code is going to publish the video for me. I just have to make sure that it's just pasted on the right place. Okay, I don't see the draft button over here. Well, that's a problem. Let me check. Where's the draft button? Okay, so this video is not on the draft state. Okay, which one? This one. This one is not in the draft state. It's actually published. It's already public. So maybe if I do something here, click on save. Okay, so that other code is not going to work on this one. This is already published. I need to paste the code, or I need to paste the description here manually, but no problem. It's going to work automatically over here from this one. So let's get started. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Command A, Command S, and let's click on FN F5. All right. Here's the magic. 47 times, guys. There's a delay. There's a delay. I'm like, you know, we keep this delay deliberately. See for yourself. See for yourself. It's happening all by itself. I'm doing nothing. It's running itself. Like the code is controlling this. I'm doing nothing. I've literally done nothing. See, the first iteration had run. You can see on the right side of your screen, it's running the iterations, pasting the description right here, clicking on next, clicking on public, and then clicking on publish. Simply magic. Guys, I'm telling you, the coding is amazing. Okay, so it failed over here. Guys, it has failed over here. Okay, it has failed on iteration number 3. For whatever reasons, maybe the time delay is not too big. So yeah, this happens sometimes, you know, it's a code. Sometimes it fails, sometimes it works, but most of the time it works, which is good. Okay, now in this one it's working fine. In this one it's working absolutely fine. See, and see, I would have kept in the code a line where it would have turned off the page, but it's not turning it off. I'm like, it could have closed the tab, but it's not closing the tab. It's letting it do it itself. Okay, so we see an error over here. It's working on one video, but it's not working on another video. It's failing on another one, maybe because the switching time is failing. And actually this problem happens because the YouTube itself takes a little bit time. So I hope this is gonna work on iteration number 6. Okay, it's pasting it, perfect, it's working. It's pasting the code, it's saving, it's clicking on edit. I'm not doing, guys, I'm not doing anything. You can see my hands. I'm literally not doing anything. It's working itself. The Python code is doing everything. Okay, it's working fine over here. So actually it failed 2 times. It failed in iteration number 3 and iteration number 5. This is iteration number 7. As you can see on the left side of your, the right side of your screen, we are on iteration number 7, and it's telling us that what exactly it's doing. Tab switched, iteration 8. Okay guys, so it seems that we got 2 iterations failed because of some reason. I don't know why. But well, this is happening, and this is happening all itself. I'm doing nothing. My hands are right here. It's all Python code which is working, posting videos for me, literally, like, it's copying, pasting the description for me, and then it's clicking the save button for me, and then it's clicking on the edit draft for me. It's clicking on next, and then public. It's selecting this option and it's publishing the video for me. Absolute magic, absolute magic. So I mean, like, you know, I don't have to worry about it. Literally, I don't have to worry about it, since, you know, it's such a big code. I'm like, and it's not a big code, but it's such a, you know, hectic job one has to do itself. Now just imagine that I had to do this entire work myself. I had to, you know, paste this over here, do it myself. It would have been such a, you know, such a pain for me to do. I'm like, you know, since the code is helping me to do it, I'm like, this is amazing. This is pure magic, guys. This is pure magic. Wow. Okay. So far we are on 12 iterations, 2 or 3 failures, rest all 9 to 10 success. This is great, guys. That's why I always say, guys, learn code, learn how to code. I mean, like, you know, even I haven't studied coding. I've studied electrical engineering. In only one of my subjects, I studied C++. That actually gave me a little bit of understanding of how the C++ is working. And, like, of course, I've studied electrical engineering. I haven't studied computer science or something like that. But actually, you know, there was a time. Okay, so let me just tell you that how I actually learned about this library. So I learned about this library when I first bought my MacBook, first time ever, back in 2023. And actually what I had to do is that I had to delete some of my Facebook messages. And like, there were a lot of Facebook messages. So I thought, like, you know, there must be a way that I can, you know, make it do it for me. And unfortunately on Facebook, you know that there is no option where actually you can delete the messages in bulk, like select all and delete. So that was the first time, and of course ChatGPT was already introduced. So that was the first time I asked ChatGPT that if there is a way that I can automate this process using a code or something like that. So ChatGPT told me that yes, in Python there's a library called PyAutoGui, PyAutoGui. This is the library. It works totally fine. And you can use that to publish your videos. I'm like, it's used to, you know, control your mouse and everything. And since then I fell in love with that code. I was like, oh my god, you can do a lot of things. But of course, I'm like, this is not a, you know, a dynamic. I'm like, no, this is not something that will work dynamically. It is kind of working dynamically, but unfortunately every time you have to give this code x-axis and y-axis coordinates of your screen. As you can see, my hands are right here. I'm not doing anything. It's publishing all my videos itself. And currently we are running 18th iterations in which we had 2 or 3 failures, but rest all iterations are working fine. It's pasting the YouTube description, it's clicking on save, it's clicking on publish, save. It's happening all itself. Literally nothing done by me. I'm not doing anything. I'm not even switching the tab for it. It's switching the tab itself. Okay, so guys, we have 4th failure in 20 iterations. We have this 4th failure. I think this failure is happening because I didn't put the right time delay in the code to execute. Okay, we again have a success over here. 21 iteration is a success. It has successfully switched the tab automatically and it's publishing. Everything's happening. So guys, to sort out this problem, you need to increase the time delay. The time delay over here, we need to increase the time delay. Since that is not happening, and unfortunately it's not switching the tab, so that's a problem a little bit over here. So that's what's happening. Oh well, I guess this is a success. I call it a success because, you know, so until now we have ran 23 iterations. In 23 iterations we had 3 to 4 failures, which is a bad thing, but not a big deal. I mean, of course, I'm like, it's helping me to publish all the videos at once. What else do I need? It's working itself. I'm not doing anything. The code is working itself. It's helping me to publish real-time videos on my YouTube channel. Of course, these videos were already uploaded on my channel. I wrote a code in which it copies the description and it pastes the description, and then after pasting the description, it's clicking the save button itself, and then also waiting for it, then clicking on edit, and then clicking next 3 times the way, and then clicking on public and then publish button, exactly the way YouTube UI is designed. So like I said, the time delay is something that, you know, takes a lot of time in this situation. So yeah, I mean, well, it's in front of you. I'll be honest with you, in this time when you have artificial intelligence, literally things have become quite easier. I mean, like, I would have never thought that I can do all this, you know, separately. There are a few other settings that I'm also clicking. I believe that I can make them automatic as well, just to make sure that the time delay is enough over there. Wow, man. Wow, this is amazing. And yeah, this code is actually working fine in MacBook. I hope that this works fine in the Windows computer as well. But for that, maybe you might need to twerk this code a little bit. At least in my MacBook, it's working totally fine. It's controlling the cursor and everything's happening itself. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, of course, you can ask in the comment box and in the live chat as well. I'm online. I can give you live replies over here right now as well. Since the code is doing the job for me, I don't need to, you know, do anything. So yeah, I'm like, of course, I don't teach how to code. I don't know how to code myself. I take help of AI. You know, this new thing is called vibe coding. That's what I personally enjoy to do as well. So yep, that's pretty much it. All right, until then, guys, enjoy the music. Well, I'm just checking the streaming quality. I don't know why it's not streaming in 4K, because the code is not quite actually clear from here. It's not a good thing to happen. It should show in high definition. I'm just checking the streaming. All right, anyways, it's working fine. Okay, we are on 34th iteration right now, and it has worked so far so good. So we are about to get finished after 37. We got 20 more iterations to left. And by this time, I don't know how many times it has failed, but I'm gonna check in the end that how many times it has actually failed the code. So we're gonna see. Alright guys, we're back. So like I told you that it will run the code 47 times, and actually it has run the code 47 times, and the Python launcher has also stopped. So we had not 47, but I believe almost we had 4 to 5 failures, or maybe 6 failures out of 47 times. And I believe the problem in the code was somewhere here. Maybe it needs a little bit more delay timer, so maybe we can increase the delay times over here. Maybe we can also increase the delay times right here as well. These clicks are absolutely fine. So I've just increased the delay time over here, guys. Maybe this was a problem over here. Other than that, it's totally fine. So let's check that how many success and failures we had. Okay, so yeah, this was, of course, it will be, okay, so we had 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42. Okay, we had 41 success iterations. We ran 47 iterations, out of which 41 were successful, and 3 or 7 iterations, something like that, has failed. No problem, no problem. I mean, like, this much failure is acceptable. I actually already have this one over here, so I'm just gonna copy paste right here. It's already here. Wait a second, where's my description? Yeah, my description must be over here. So, oh my god, sorry. Where's my YouTube description? Oh my god. Okay, my YouTube description is right here, so I'm gonna do it manually for these, all of them. Okay, I'm just gonna paste it all here manually. I'm gonna make sure that at least this lot of the day is success. Okay, save, perfect. Okay, fine. Well, I already have a code for publishing, so I'm just gonna run that code, and that code is right here. This one, okay, that's what this one, copy, open. Okay, we are gonna open this one in Python, and we're just going to run this for the 4 videos, 4 iterations. And now we need only 4 iterations in this matter. So I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna click on Fn F5. Okay. Oops. I just hope it. Oh, sorry. It's not working. Oops, sorry. My bad, guys. My bad. It's not working. Actually, the dimensions were set to my previous monitor, so I need to change these dimensions right here. Yeah, I need this code over here. I need this code. I need to bring my cursor over here. Click on the edit button. Okay, yep. Actually, I've since updated this, so oh my god, what do I have to do? I don't need to change this code. Maybe, okay, wait a second, I can make another code because that's set for my another monitor. I don't want to ruin this code, so I'm going to copy this code from here. And how many change of locations we need 4 change of locations over here. 1 2 3 4 times our location is going to be changed, right? And how many location changers we have here? 1 2 3 4. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna copy paste this over here. Okay, we're gonna remove this one. Wait a second, I think I screwed up. Perfect. Okay, I hope this is the right dimensions that we need to work on. I hope so. Okay, so oh, what the hell is happening? Sorry. Okay, we're gonna give it a name. We're gonna give it a name as draft 4, and this is for my home because, you know, I'm doing on my different screens at my home, not at my office. So we're gonna run this code. Hopefully it's gonna work fine. Okay. Oh, what? Why it's failing? It shouldn't fail. Oh my god, it's failing. Why in the world is it failing? Oh, okay, I get it. This is failing because we don't have this video is already published. Oh, okay, my bad, guys, my bad. Sorry, this is already published. Sorry, we're gonna close this one. We're gonna work on this one, and we need to give it only 3 iterations. Hopefully it's gonna work now. Let's see. Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay, let's run this iteration. Edit video. Oh, wait a second. Okay. Oh my god, see, you always learn, guys. You always learn. Okay, because I'm not clicking the screen. I need to click the screen twice, so I need one more click over here. I need just this code over here, and I need to paste it right here just to make sure it's clicking the screen twice. Fine. I'm just gonna increase the delay time over here, and then I'm gonna run the code again. Oh, for God's sake, please work, please work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's working, it's working. Happening automatically. Not doing anything, guys, not doing anything. Oh, thank you so much, you're working. Okay, go to edit, click on next, again, click public, click publish. Again, happening by itself, not touching anything, guys. I'm not doing anything. Okay, we just need these 3 times. I needed 3 iterations because we were left with 3 failures. Okay, the code is working itself. It's publishing the videos. And this was the final publish. Okay, awesome. Done. As you can see, it's done. Okay, we're gonna close this one. And now we're gonna go back to our YouTube studio. Channel content. Perfect. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna click on 50 videos. So from 57 till 108, I have done all these videos using Python code. I haven't published them myself using my mouse. These all videos were published using the Python code. I call it a success. These all videos were posted on my YouTube channel using this code. I'm sorry, this code. It wrote the description itself. It changed. It clicked on the save button itself. It clicked on the edit, and there were a few steps as well, as you all saw in the in this entire live stream. So yeah, guys, do let me know if you want to see more videos like that. If you want me to code, vibe code something more interesting, maybe some software that you guys need, and maybe some other automation you guys need. So yeah, do let me know. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching the stream, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye, good night, assalamu alaikum, Allah hafiz. See you next one.